What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Baby Doge. We're just going to go straight over it. So the first thing I noticed here with Baby Doge is that we actually now broke down below this uptrend line. So we've been on this trend pretty much for I want to say about a week and a half, and we started it way back here in the 27th of May, and now you're seeing Baby Doge breaking below that trend line. So now that we're breaking below that, it kind of shows that Baby Doge is now going to the downside a little bit here. So it does say over here on the 24-hour market control that it's in control by the bears by 100%. That's indicating that we're 100% bearish. Now we are coming off some sold areas right here. We had some selling, and that's why it shows it on the downside there. Now you're seeing a little bit of buying coming in. You're seeing the whole overall crypto market doing some recovery, especially Bitcoin up here. You got Cardano doing very well. But then you got Baby Doge at only 1% for the day. So that's definitely a problem for us right now, but I'm about to explain where I believe Baby Doge will be going up next after this. So let's talk about that. So yeah, as you can see here, Baby Doge now below this downtrend line. So the next area for Baby Doge to go to inevitably is probably going to be around 1.4. So we're going to be going around this 1.4 area. We got some support here. That's where our consolidation broke out at, and that's where our support was for that consolidation is at 1400 down here. So what you're probably going to see here is Baby Doge going back down to that 1400 area, trying to get back up. If we cannot get back above 1500, then you're going to see Baby Doge go to 1250 from there after we've already broken that 1400 support. So you definitely want to continue to watch out for that. Now, over here, we have some more movements for Baby Doge. Whenever you look at the 4-hour chart, it kind of shows you something different. But actually, before we look at that, just go ahead and look at what's right above this trend right here, where it's right above our charts pretty much. This red bar right here, that pretty much indicates resistance. So it's going to be some resistance and rejection around 1700 for Baby Doge. Even if we try to, instead of going down and retesting supports, we just immediately go straight to the resistance. If that happens, we still got that resistance up there, and it just started to form actually, just started to form up yesterday. So whenever you see a new resistance bar starting to form here, that kind of shows you now we're going to have a lower low, and that is now our new lower high. So I think around 1700 could be our new lower high if this was all a bull trap. And when I say all in like this all a bull trap, everything from like the last 30 days, from all the way on the 12th of May, because that's where we were at our lowest point. Or actually, we were at our lowest point before that, I believe. But yeah, at the 12th of May, it was around our lowest point for Baby Doge. And then we had a nice pump all the way up. But let's see if this was a bull trap or not. And that's exactly what this is going to tell us. Because if you look at these two areas here from the 26th of May and the 5th of May, you see the sideways movement that we had after each pump. And you can actually see it here. There was a sideways movement after this pump as well as this pump. So this third one, if we don't pump like that, and then go back and do a pullback and sideways a little bit, it kind of shows that it's a bull trap. But if we do the same third pattern one more time, you see that like once, boom, and then like this twice. And now if we go up and do the same thing a third time, and this time getting a little bit past 2-3 before doing the pullback, and it kind of shows that Baby Doge is bullish, and this is just like the calm before the storm. So that's definitely what we're going to be watching out for. And looking over here at the 4-hour chart, you do see that Baby Doge still has the potential to try to retest that resistance. But the second we get to 1400, that is a support that we meet, that we could come back from. But what you're going to more than likely see is a more harder pullback if we go below that 1400 support. So we need to stay around that 1400 support. Right now we're at 1563. So we're at the moment right now where we could be bullish, could be bearish. But we just got to wait and see what happens after that now. So over here with Bitcoin, lots of volatility. I know you see that Bitcoin is going crazy at this point. We can't predict what's happening with Bitcoin. We just can't predict it. And Baby Doge is a little less sporadic than Bitcoin. Let's be honest. But yeah, Bitcoin is just going crazy right now. Like goes up huge, goes down huge, goes up huge, down huge, up huge, down huge. So the next move for Bitcoin, I would more than likely say, is probably going to be another purchase that leads it all the way up to 31K. Another purchase wave where people just FOMO into it, reaching all the way up to 31K. We were quite oversold here, and after oversold areas, what do I always say? You always get an overbought area. Just like this oversold area, we got an overbought area immediately. So now we have this oversold area, and this one did not become overbought, but we did get purchasing coming through it. So we could see some more purchasing leading to another overbought area that brings us up to about 31.2K. that resistance up there. And then from there, you'll probably see another hard drop, bringing Bitcoin down lower and the lows becoming lower. And that's exactly what's going on right now with the whole overall market. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Right now, Baby Doge is doing fairly well with the holders. We're almost at 1.6 million holders. Shout out to all the people out there in Baby Doge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. And let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And as always, I'll be back with another video.